Naende ni twabika nitukite kumbini kilungu cha amuka muthenya ni wa umuthi lakini tuikimini ni lazima ende tunene maundu ma vata muno naende ni wona tinkwithete kwina wongeleku wa munyao wongeleku anza wongeleku wa maundu ma mama hii naende ni kwithiwa andu matena mbeze cia kwiana cia kumatethesya kukuna maundu mo naende peu ni batonyeka maundu makabinduka no gakwata ilo vito na kutethesya kwikala thayu ula wenda indi kathani wenda kwikala thayu wa kutembewa buko na wabingwa kikuma wena kitchen garden buko na oze spinach siaku okatua no wenda kusetha wena mota yakuto na kuma loko kathio soko na okasioka kana wena ngale kana wena nombanzi yo tona kuya family yaku nesa indi netu nene Mavuso Ma Kwiyiendesya aloto no tumianike na wende wisethe ya maisha maku ne mekala nesa na indi pai mundu musio tuto no nena nesia maundu asu bewa MUENI ula tunake muthenya ni wa umuthi no likite utandithyani thini wa industry Kwiyiendesya ende ko muthenya ni wa umuthi nitugwitha tuinenea thini wa kundu Kwiyiendesya ila walika thini wa wemi ila walika thini wa maundu ma online walika maundu ma utandithya ila walika thini wa maundu ma Kwiyiendesya utona kwikatanike na ende wisethia ni wetethia no kila mundu etha ena wendi wa kundu Kwiyiendesya na etha ena inengo cia kundu Kwiyiendesya kana ila tumeta passion kwa wende maundu asio netu nena nisia tumotomani mukubi kusila ili itetu ukende moitano wambie na ndeto TV ni nguthangisoma ketho ina kulio ukwenda kulio MUENI ula tunake muthenyane wa umuthi na indi nthini wa mutandao wa Facebook Twitter wa Mutongo TV na twi live indi weke comment yako ninguthangi mevitea na netu kwetha tuimesoma nthini wa mutandao wa Twitter @Mutongo TV ke director mwema tumia #amuka na indi utumani wako no kwetha wimbikia NICODEMUS wamukitata
nyine amukite nesa
nendo ya musiaisia na yumuta yo wikata
asante muno kwa masito nito NICODEMUS mukiwa Zakayo ni mutandithya wa maundu ma Kwiyiendesya na indi nitwithiwa twendeea na unena ni nthini wa kilungu na mutandithya wonthe ula wi nthini wa masako makueni na ngaliko ingi cia kitwi koutu bamwe ngina muthia wa kilungu asante
okay ni ukulia no dikete nthini wa mutandithya Kwiyiendesya we nthini wa industry bana yiba
ni nthini wa industry ya construction recently nthini wa industry ya agriculture and also ngunite online yes
so ila tu nene maundu ma construction no kwa ni real estate
ti real estate
ni kwa kuthi kwa kia
ni kosa mabiasara na government na kumithukuma kwitisila maleluni kwisila myakoni na kwisila kusovya sindu cia kibyo
so mwene no sameta utandithio kama na utandithia undu tona kubindwa mundu no undu tona kama mundu so yitu yambie nikenda tuambe na this perspective what on kwasia kumela walikilo utandithiani kana entrepreneurship thaira kubindukita as opposed to undu ile mbeni utambeto liko utandithiani
kuma na liko utandithiani kende chambe ki freedom of thinking elangu as a freedom of thinking ni kana ni wesilasia we MUENI kwisila akilini yaku tona expand income yaku ata kaundu tona kwitha wetela muthia mwi musala wisiningilia na imwe na ni wobangi yengekona na ngekona lakini through utandithya no expand ya ukethia wisi no ni kwatongilia na imwe kananga kwata even more than a million kananga kwata siejo langu ni kuyana na viti yaku na akili la uikia thini wa utandithya osu kwa there is freedom and there is a space to grow fast and more yes
no okay no in terms of undu wikala standards ya living ni bendokete
with ya nundu wa utandithya naturally pe mundu with ya mande na kuongeleka exchange business rate ya kuniongeleka nundu ni akila muthena na yende na kuyana kila muthena through that ni wese with ya osia iwe also ni the financials mayona undu ende na kuyana ama mayenda kuyana naku ukasisya for example mundu yonde alame yana ki biasharani undu yani te witha wende no sia yiwa nandu be mando ingi muno na jo kitumi withi andu ingi manendo likelela methe maiwetani wi naku na mayukila naku withi also banks ni siendete kwikala pamwe na tandithia pakuvi nundu isa ithia kibathukani na andu ala metela mbeza cia muthia mwi mundu uyu ekuna utandithia kila muthenya etethia bengi kila muthenya nundu mbeza silikanthini na kuma kila muthenya ko withia ni mekutwa seminars nimenda mamane otomatona kutethia ata biasala kwi inenebe kindu chake liwe saithia nthini wa mikalile yaku ya kila muthenya withia wasisya maundu maku o siana kutoa school nzio ni mande na kuyana
pepe andu masia kana ndwisa ko twika muthui kwisila salary kana kwe wande pia kuya kila mwe kindu kiu kino wewe yanata
ni uguki nundu nenda osisi for example onoka ibwangili maana atatu we definite kana ngili maana atatu inga fuel beza siano na entertainment iketha mbeza siano na nthini wa mindo liwa nombo ketha we anona no kethia we na program we are predetermined ona mbesa isi utanesa kwata we are mbesa we that wetelete ukwata ngili 5 kana ngili 10 ebinda thindi pana we that we bangi yo ready tanesa ofika kugwiza ithia kuyani othui we bina no biashara ni kibathukanyo na kiu umundu utona amuka kwacha ukakwata biashara ukasani ya nata muthenomo kasovya 1 million or just within a very short span of time ni mbesa kindu chambe utai predeterminate kana mbesa ini ngokwata ipinda yano na nundu ndi sieki masabu mbingi isio kato the savings kana ku grow kana ku kuyania weta we mundu ku uyithia kwa kitumi kingi kana kila kimwe musala ku bicha your destiny kwe binapyo anendo sisi onando ala on the handike medana business siranite number 2 nendo sisi all the wealthiest people in this world we talk about we associate them with businesses is not employment na no matala nyewe nondo no mese
ne ukulia ne ando ngime malikande no utandithia but ni what are some of the attributes this is one of us maundu amwe ma some of the successful entrepreneurs and amwe alama mekane and then no tandithia metha miliard
kindu chambe pe characteristics siende kandi ni wa biashara yoyote mundu kindu chambe no need ya kwitha wina passion kana wendi munene uyolo wa kila okwika kindu cha keli ve kindu kita wa consistency iziko akikamba to kitata lakini withi akula kuyatianisia kwika undu muthenya kuthi ulongi ona wavaloka ukethia wina umiisio wa kukila une na kuendea na ikondosu tunda kunengira example kana withi andu ama sharpen skill on a new journalist persistent mwitha nayo kuma ukambia kwithia we reporter ukambata that consistency ya kwika undu umwe kiatianisio mithenya mingi wisaithia wa sharpening your skills siathi pasa muno icho kitumi we mundu ikolwa wina experience yana ata nthini wondu uyu eka kusomea eka kwika maundu angi lakini that consistency ni characteristic imwe ya mutandithia inuka pasa muno no kathi pasa kindu cha katatu ni mundu realize ya opportunity in every situation for example la covid yokie andu amwe mande na kwisilia tuikata kwandu immediately ma import ye masks na binda likana tuyambe ya mask imwe ya cost ya 30-40 shillings imwe and they had imported it at very cheap price then there are people who tap opportunities as they arise whether negative or positive is a characteristic imwe ya mundu business oriented no look here in every situation I tap the what needs to be tapped for example no na drought niende ndike ando ma tape yeke u ma set neki nini we say they are already moyu we are one kutano drought ni atanga si trevinda ina witina there is likelihood to the drought already atap the opportunity akanai na ilo set neki tene nganangete la kiangazi ki ngate ando at very exorbitant price kana mdho awe yolo muno so ni mundu realize ya opportunities as they rise na usuni mundu with an orientation ya biashara kindu kingi no siasa mwekelewa mabinda wa silikali silikali sikibadukanyo ni sieka ngaleko sikibadukanyo ebinda yo wazije musumbe witu nenete yolwa climate change naka make a lot of zeal na passion about it na aite kana within 5 years ndatu bande miti 5 billion which is not timete menini okamelinga nethia so and alama zimosiza that opportunity nimeona they can do high number of seedlings and they supply to government ukethia mundu if for instance mundu aketha na passion akadu like 1 million trees na I approach the government imite au more 20 bob so how much has he hand 20 million so it needs for you to know mabinda mandate ata if you look biashara ye kawa ibinda ye tina na yuyu for now the technology has affected the way we do things so with the ibinda ila twamuka kwa cha tukavingwa vya sala no yethi atwina ulusel nene niende evitito ne ibinda nondo yethi anake mundu ngenda atie na mwe kwita copia mundu ngenda entie minda na mwe kwita njumia so uyethi already you can buy everything from your phone and it is brought in your house unlike umaloke yokatone ni kanosioke so you no need yako sisi na mama binda mandate ata so those are some of the factors or characteristics you must see that na mutandithya successful yes
no ibinda ne yon the way this on the no mutandithya was this here entrepreneurs like the ones that you look up to and allow with that we must see ni ta entrepreneurs tameba alama stand it out for you Mwangi wa WITU no stand it out and one thing I like about him is the passion he has in different areas nikule otobo kwa Mwangi nichao ukwisilia kitumete biashara yake yoki yambia kwa ibe ngingi na ukeseda nichao ki maintain ite biashara yake ukeseda niende na kwambata ni ambatite akwata subscribers ingi na ni great ukeseda it's a very big business
kendo chambe atangetite mundu ula wandi pyo nela wenda biashara ya kuyane muno etikila etumiwe nandu ala aingi pyo ndini wa ulimwengu
so tusisi numbers
exactly nundu for example ni ndo kutabia kana cancel alikete Kenya before Safaricom lakini cancel work ya credit kila mate sa chande cha chama na 5 nandu miana mai mafodi mana 5 the kolyo ndi la Safaricom nyokie yo kaje wana silingi kwambia silingi 5 credit kwambata where itangetite common mwananchi wasisele equity yokie ambo kwa no bungu account lukati ala sia balance ndeni wa account yaku favorable condition igeda asidi na idhi ndo manakana equity yoka where ya bank balance na not ya more than 50,000 tabak this bank minimum balance ya 50,000 wasisya ndeni wa bengi ingi minimum balance ya 10,000 na izo ingili komisi ya kuikomenta bengi itondo sikweka no babe bengi ingi yoka yaku ya unya kila kindu wena chocho ndeva uona wesemba ba weta mwana biashara ndo semba ba ku wasisya kindu chambe numbers are very key in business umundi nita okambe yo thosya mutu umundi mundu umwe thosya mutu silingi 50 na mundu ungia thosya mutu silingi 45 uwa 45 ndo kwata profit nene atoneza ikwata the 5 shillings ungi atangetite the 10 shillings lakini adho yama 45 shillings with the other 5 shillings isu ya wadho wanando yana ngitho wana ndweli ni sawa ni wakwata profit nene ya shilingi 20 lakini haya na maudho already wakwata 500 shillings nundu wa numbers. So you look at the multiplication factor.
You know kwa mutandithia yoyote either kwenda kwa bei kana uitali ndino wa biashara nicha utona kosa kwa mwangi
kindu chambe ndini wa kwambia na mukasoma history ya mwangi mayambia theka cooperative kaina mathina maingi muno nundu na bebinda kenda collapse na maka kwati ya despite the challenges they were facing na they were consistent dini wa biashara wake na watatu sisi ya biashara wake no kile muno evinda kibaki ni wo Equity Bank na inavumia muno ndo sindo mingi nesela bya ndini wa banki yake. So the peke ndikita kumizia ndini wa kwambia biashara utomizia ndo iso kwata matunda manene ku mutandithya wowote tona ukwambia biashara ni kila ndo no mutavya ni ethe na umizia munene pyo nundu ila wenda urip very fast ndi rip na no baloka etho wenda biashara yaku ya sukuma biashara yaku ya kuta matunda si expect you si ndio matona kwa sukuma ikanangika lakini 2 3 4 5 days wethe wonde na manika nandu meke bathukanyo kindu chakeli ndukegwenda ni kuta biashara wako ndukegwenda ni kueta kini chonika kula ku strangers na kula ku your friends ku another we deal na friends within strangers nduka haithiwe na wia ndini wa umunthi ukanenga andu 10 o mambi for example kindu kinini ta kuta matunda for example ukamwia we na onenga wote matunda na kuna andu 10 on the mambi yakibathikani omwe yakaunga makibanda ni aketela esotho matunda ungi aile unok 10 offices na ka receive mindo akawasa namba si ando aswa kamate ya matunda at their convenient time ungi aile kwa mindo kwambia mindo venting ya matunda even online so andume sila sekindu kekibadhukani lakini wesaidi at the end of the day pe umweka na ele successful nundu wa misililio la mesililio yolwa biashara wibo usu tia tiri mudhuku lakini meano na imebaloka inti fe umweka na elimekata no succeed nunduma mosi biashara su na mawambe ya na manyambe.
Okay, so ila to mundu na business idea ndo moga makambe sepe ndo ameta high end customers wese ya mundu su ndajali yake ndo ketomba za siana hata bora no kwata kendo quality lakini pia ndo anomamba au sisi ya uthowa ni wamba siana hata nikenda manetho so katoa ma customer aile ne bolo utona kwetha we sure wa target biashara waku no grow na no nene bana no kwata profit bingi
tuitikilana kana ni weze economy ya Kenya the highest population na ndo alama ambao sisi price ni sianata before mathowe nundu the high end alatita high end customers they are very few and then utono kwato to na idea kwa business ya kuma ibetu ka 5 kana 10 lakini ve ando alama sia othoa nimbeza siana nikana ndo kinduke nundu we say the economic times are not allowing nenda osisi for example matukano tembea ma supermarket and no not it and how much they are comparing this supermarket is selling this at how much and the lenge ndena utambesiana and joki tumiwe they are on supermarket ile save and bamwe lakini emwe to eti ene lenge ndito eti so ando matukwaya na highest population ni kusisi atho working the high end they are very few na mowes are umedia mostly actually the manda biashara ni lana si very high end go okay there if you keep targeting them you may lose it, you may not gain it, lakini as your business grows they always come.
Okay, ni ukulia tasi entrepreneurs ala nene okay wa company tawangali na company no simeda mena story mo ke they are not a common okona nioka ni ambe bandu ni apiki lakini okona abika bandu ke wa neta kondo kwa teso kwa cooperative isu ne okiwe se dane kondo kwa na yoke ngi yoke niki see that sina that sina isu common face ya kuka kwamba kusiti wa monote kwa na ende kuma bume mabine ya mono wesa kona yoke la ya dhimbe
Common characteristics yusieta wanondo kila mundu ethia wa aivenja kindu ni utanathi ati utataneze kithiata nenda okutavya kana you for example mundu la wa invest ya Mutongo TV pe kindu kimwe wethia utesi atana alikevya salani wakimania alikacho alikevya salani na ando ingi ma biasala wisa ethia kati wa mayambia biasala pe undu metha matesi o umwe kaneli na kiuni chocho ka usite ya biasala nundu wakindi by the time we so kimana already biasala ya thichao ni athindi na yambi ya kobinia lakini naku ngaya utethia wa salvage that moment kana ibinda yumo naku wethia wana good time to enjoy nundu already with our mana mahumu ma biasala ino ni mana ko ni need you to me kina ku solve it and then I just relate to my business ko with idea wa mina umana kimbithi cha biasala ozu after wa ubineya with idea ko to anambe ni mituke muno
mundu ilika utandithia ne peke nduke mocha mana muno ilete ko this
peke nduke mo wale thi wa hesi no wale thi wa hesi kana biasala ni eta ya maondo eli kwasia kana kukwata yani loss or profit usino ndomwe utaile okola ndeni wa akili yako ni kana ndo with wena enough shock absorbers ni kana wese ithia ndune silia ongalemwe ya kukwata wesilie kukwata noto no baluka uno wale silia nonga baluko ni kata what is the remedy to this
pe mundu muise kana utandithia la musopyo ni utandithia wa services pandu ba kuthoa manana kilo kimo 30 yokota 40 lakini etha weta service baikindo ndo need ku restock na ndo need kutumia mbesa mbingi wisa kunenga na service isu na bado not tona kunenga profit nene kindo kiuchago
ugo service niyo inenga na mbesa ila si yulupyo anenda okutavya unondo wa maondo amwena ngunenda osisye serious businesses ila incroite for example nenda to sisye biasala ene nilo yigito njumia mu mathawase chao you for example ngakule onjumia mathawase chao
awasindula sio
na kobe bando mayete sindu mathawase mayulseli bando yani moka makasisi ya kwa kueta simweno silingi ngilie 10 makongela ngili mama kekiangilie 11 na majeki ya mutandaoni kana simweno na ingilie 11 na kuidho wa through mutandaoni uimanembesa mama ikwata profit uimanembesa lakini mo matete service ya delivery in between the two of you connecting the two
mabiasala hiyo lamu no mata iwa mutandaoni
nuelo ni biasala yani odhosia service watata kusisia umundi mpengi ko yembeza sio tisia enendi na ilengi mindo muti exchange ya Central Bank so with idea momenta cho meta that service ya umia lakini you hear of billions of shillings so that shows how they are growing ni ndo sisi the mindo Safaricom matesa chao oma urukwete acha makaote they sell to you service that call rate zaidi ya yicho choma ende na ukotea kukiume ukotea service is always near kwani ya 100% profit
no you pay na mone iko to e-commerce zaidi ya motandithia ne malikandhi wa mitandao mitandao ibindu ita utandithia ata kumondo ile na kuiti namba ka umundu pe kibathwani chao na mundu atona ku leverage on that ata ukeseda you utandithia wake ni umela kuonza na ni wazotonyo nene
no say the e-commerce kumayalika in the world actually the business is no longer the same nundu vindatene for example ilato amita butter trade whether ando meumana ko makoka either asuma seubasya asune maindo na animali umakoka makakomania bandu fulani maka exchange ni kana maundu makaendea twese mavuto alikambesa whether am exchange na mbesa lakini now there is something called we call e-commerce bala utona idea you mundi uilieva at the comfort of your chair. We purchase machine, you know, under the industry yaku, specifications, everything, through, like, for example, Alibaba. Ukamidhowa, ka connectiwa, na kaetwe, umietelete, o walau, ekaetwe ngina to your destination. Ukasi sagana specifications, ilo wanenga nyeni siyayu, yuke diani siyayu, ukope wa machine yaku kaambia wia wako. Nienda ukukulia, for example, keka umundi e-commerce, whether, for example, utumiye mbesa siyanata kuthi, kumanda, na kuete. Whether wambia utumia mbesa siyanata. Whether utumiye a lot of money, a ticket, accommodation, time, you know, talk about them. So you is either already, we tumia more resources when we don't involve the e-commerce. Number two, watatu is your time is a very key resource. Na ye key resource, then we maanisha kana when you do things fast, then it means you save this resource we call time. Nienda kukulia afama we mondane kwake, ukwenda utasukuma na iwako na visa nesa na i-uploadi, like for example kwa jiji na asya nokota. Na mindo customer na yo login there is kumatinzio, they call each other and they talk everything nini. Aituma mindo, aituma company idhi yosa sindi simu twaya na mayeban. How fast has it been done? Two, there is a lot of bulky buying. Nundu kupate e-commerce and ala matono kumana no ala local. But with the e-commerce you can sell even internationally. Within your locality. There is a very big growth. Na niendo manekana e-commerce is contributing into our GDP very highly. Niendo sisi actually, especially in agriculture sector. The agri-tech, e-commerce is one of the ondola uende na happen build our economy today. Yes.
Okay. Ni ukulia tasi wazia biashara tasiu wetu wa Alibaba wa Amazon ni mabiashara alama tesa muno mitandao ni na maana nebio muno wese ona CEO moni amwaka to ando alama na besa bingi pio luandi. How do you build a successful business?
Na biashara ndo ambia yolo. Na biashara wambia otondo oya mwana monini. Ukosa mwana osu, for example, umundi tu asie nuambia watuika content creator. Umundi oyedhi wana 2 views siya your creation. Uitho siya content yako yedhi ya wina 5 views. Uitho siya content yako yesa yedhi ya wina 20,000 views. Na yedhi kalango yesa yedhi ya wina 1 million followers. Wambie ba. Wambie 2 viewers. No ke guy want give you help. You for example with that content creator na want give you help ilawo wasia we no andweli. What would have happened? Do that work? No we take. So what I'm saying is there is a need to take the staircase to grow your business. Kana utake kuthi itambia kuthi kwa lela yengi ni kana we ani biashara wako. Kitu mikilangu asia undu uende na kuyana ni uende yana umana maundu meo mabiashara la ukona na ndia si unaonenga for example andu ameza me bloggers kana content creators ukethia mundu su ambia abathi na ambia umundu create content zelo na ndweli we create content iende yana kwende siandu kila uende na kuikata na kukuna naenda kunenga example na mwana geita Facebook mkulima. Mkulima abeye ko almost kila weekend kwenda new farm kuona ni yeka hata kuna uyamo. Umundi watato sisi the followers ala winamo ni they are so many. They need him ko mindo ammonia kina keke kwata. There is that growth, gradual growth. Ndoka expect wabebya zalo mundi yana une oya profit mingi one aje kikitoneka.
Na itu otuwa growth pe komesia no uke say the amount mabya sala maende tenesa no kona ne ko bine pe kumesya na pe ba kupika bandu ke inoma nota yaema nota na lete kupingwe nota lete kupingwe ngika nota na lete khola ngekondongi so sinto no balance yato kama na bane na lete kumesya nebe kumakendo kana ba ona ngekata ba yumakendo na lete kutia kunga ngosa kendo kingi
nendo kuya kati wa biasala notondu mundu ikala ni waile kweka na mutu ita SWOT analysis ya your business ukasisia strength ya business yako ukasisia weakness ya your business ukaisia opportunities no isia threat ila your business may etona kwete thini wa mwikalile wa kila muthenya na ila withia wa evaluate your business no mana evinda ya kumina na vinda ya kuende no mana vinda ito naende ya na vinda ya umina no mana u ila weka analysis ya kuwe very keen na uyambia ndukambie biasala ni kwithwa uendambia nundu everybody na biasala kana kila kindu with ya wana wiete mitala tala ila uendambia biasala aku na ni chau at the end ukenda ku achieve ndeni wa biasala yako if for example umunde utona ya strength ya business yako ni kana ikanesa ila kwisua for example mundu ukota sota mudhithi Vinda mbwa yona emubiniye muno ateze suya no zekitata no yukite that's just an example of a strength is the weakest point with either biasala akuni a perishable goods so you no expect sianangi anytime that's a weakness in your business for example you may look at an opportunity niko sisa like for example for example kwa conference na ningo ta perishable goods nina advertise sindu sia kwa andu ame need in bulk yani that's an opportunity presenting itself are you looking at opportunities in different areas like for example biasale ya kwa located is the opportunity sharp or it isn't so you see usuno ndo mo wale wana we will see liliano yuso ani amuno threats nita for example you and alama na imana locust so guys you know for example a threat have you insured your crops kana for example we na ngombe maana eli no insure ngombe isu na isu kwa drought so ndesi akwa have you insured this threat which may come time to time undo for example and alama na insure ngombe so we say you may kwa nimekwata the benefits nondo wanasia yani mwana they have been paying the premiums so these are some of the issues which you need to analyze within your business before you make the last decision ya ovinga
na be bandu pa ile topic okase you ekane neke mando anything iko na ndongi
yes actually you mean ndini wa utandithya no mana no wemwene ni wale the we say when to make a U-turn no sia oyuto as for example onako na biazala na yuko iko na marufuku ni the government you make a U-turn very fast for you to do another thing so pe mapinda na pe maondo make ka okay then you need a U-turn
okay
yes
okay na ndatu sisi opportunities nzini wa kondoke bazokana no likete nzini wa wemi so pe opportunities siba nzini wa wemi mundo tonyo tap
you nzini wa wemi especially I can nene yulu andwa young kana youth nzini wa wemi matukwaya ni twese wemi no face it many challenges and you tabiu ni kana nendo manepindate ne kana wemi like for example nyendisoma nona cooperatives yaka watu akawa ba oyethia your school fees ya umanu akawa ni wende no cooperative no yethia comfortably you go to class no ende na usoma lakini nowadays that is not happening niki nundo already need to move ye more so to individualism more than cooperatives na in agriculture for you to do better is when you are in cooperative than in as an individual nundo individual you need heavy investment financial investment umundi ta extension officers ni seneta madhalile yani the umundi tie la maenda ukethia ni momba ni siandu ni mamata vya ngombe na ye kwa kuzo young people can tap that phenomenon ya kuete and bamwe ndene wa for example oimi twazi for example or a young person who like it agribusiness na ili kind the technology side no to na idea ke dia uni mwemi wa ng'ombe ungenu ya wa ng'ombe ungenu ya wa ng'ombe yani wa ng'ombe na in the whole world kana and azu and them ng'ombe ma ona mai na mundu manga idea ma ile kuikata ku no kuizaeta la makoni olanda kitali ese kuikata ese kuka lakini time to time now you may come to them talk to them no imatavya nyenienda tukatethia neza na fees fee yenu mukaumasia yanona ukethia either for example ni ng'ombe akuye na kina wa subscribe to channel chake na waiva like only 1000 shillings at the end of the month na emi otamana ile makisio fulani niweze akakwata angili mana ile end of the month lakini emiae masomethia ng'ombe yaku yakwatwa ni wiao ile muna ikona nona ethiwa mindo iya yaku ni yaoleka wika nona ama atete vamwe through either a group either like WhatsApp group nini lakini the technology is using is very simple alama tendini wa WhatsApp matumia tulatu simutu amleka mwinzi nondo tu many farmers matumia we matumia SMS at an interval youth for example ni wezere insine nini uimia uimi ola ukete wenda ka kina no tubande sorghum no tubande millet no tubande kina ukethia wenwende na umasomethia the comfort of your chair like now kini aimia sumande na ukethukesia muno na matekite your hand device very serious nundu umundu ukasisia for example in your village ila mwila na mundu gusomethania yolo wimyola maile manindi just a question ndio esilia lakini young people mailament kana kuiwia
kweka otuwe ngukule pe kasia kamageta wa nas daily kasia in the yolo ande pe revolution nene yokete yolo ne ko ke revolution ya internet but no ko ke revolution nene ya kisomo say for example also with the biology kwa school we say there anoingi maikwenda nondo mwalimu esomethia yani esometheki mwalimu lakini nipo kite we say that for example whether ndo soma computer science no lika mtandao ni YouTube uketha mundu esomethia computer science in a funny way yosomethia uketha notonya kuelewa whether ndo twangale uketha mundu no kupundesia ndo tonya twangale ndo tonya yani po kite revolution we say there kisomo neki kwa liulo we say there kikabunde weneta content creators you tondo kwa for example mundu asomeye uwemi na niwe sinzia ke bathoka nisia uwemi na ko nundu wa timu alimu wene content creator osomeye na very entertaining way na nokola we say that for example sindu sio ndoko ndo soma ukasithia mitandao ni na kisomo ni kitona kwa direction yesu na ndonge maiko hata opportunities etha mundu ni camera person aithio masoma ile camera obine yaba weka wisira mundu akwebinda nini na wakwata kisomo kingi na ke mundu none wapa kwatia uya kuselaki unokona kendo kiuki happen in the near future
actually on the near future nicheki ende yuna kwekika nundu umundu for example uko na laptop yaku yakoma you need kwa simu yako o dial nesa osisiye laptop yako ya black screen uona uelete kila kindu with their different people makuelete steps ila waileika nikana osovye your laptop ve mundu na osomethia
paingo
ku ndini wa content you know asomethia enongwa asasia young people can keep creating niyo iende na ku take over na the truth need our minds to expand na your government need to invest in this agri-tech issues ila si hapenite you know for example ekaku masomethele nyenge etu need kwekuli ati aimimaitu wese ainge 60% kana to ase 80% ya aimimaitu average years is 60 years if we take today Kenya ngiti ya maitu meima tuiku na ainge may follow that content lakini nitwezi umindo mundu become local content creator for example okay kamba ukalika kikamba no yethi no walesia maitu ne sakila maile kwika miundani yo with ya utonaona tawatembe sendi yethi awekwata pesa mingi muno nundu kila ibinda yonde wendete na umaelesya ni mateki ya that thing very serious. Kindu cha keli ndini wa mentorship and training with ya umundi agriculture yitu ni adhalile mentors and trainers na ethiwa our country yende na ulekelele the agriculture sector and department that way we will face a very severe shortage of food, very severe one. Nindu a country like Kenya ele self-reliable, just like Tanzania. It should be self-reliable in terms of food security. Lakini already niwe se umundi production ilaya yekika ndini wa our country ni andie the officate nundu agriculture extension officers yakwa na tuoka in terms of technology na mo maeka ku fund the issues of child na young people na mama more tap the opportunity of now using the education they have now to translate the same to the all the farmers who are 60s na ni more to itikila me farm tigo nundu young people to iku ando inge to iku urban tuende na umanda white collar jobs na ku apply mawia mengi mono. So that we need to as these content creators is coming to burst, then as a country we need to embrace it before it bursts without helping us.
Ni ukulia netu anene mambo ma agriculture yoni ukulia na in the online space. There was another comment in the online space. So you in the online space, monduma forex, monduma digital trading, na monduma content creation. So the online space yetu nanga opportunities here will on your tab.
Actually, they are countless. Mondo, when we talk of online space, it's all what you think and you change it to online. For example, Omundi. G4S courier with their etoma siendo kuika umabai katibando bangi boka send is now getting the day, each day it's growing. Now kianondo wesili about online nenda wesili kindu cho then ikisili ya online nenda was a mechanic ame the bagro we need kwetha wise mechanic so now we need kwetha we otono create a portal okay say they are happy mundu anangikiwa engali eba ya mindoni useni akaite ikilo useni akaite ambatete masako na enda mechanic need only to log in the hub na yekali isise mechanic around oyono yujumambe numbers yoka itano aiko ni omwe ailika uyani oyoko just look at anything and change it to online. Look, even if he's a doctor, you need only the doctor to be in his place and you be at home. Now you nenga first aid already way home otaneso this vitali just through the hub. Talk of anything, talk of paying what, talk of for example another agriculture, you can turn it to the online business. Talk about the content creating, you can create content all the way from a juakali sector to a very official sector.
Kwa tuko mabuku wa content nona anwegine maligete kwa content na ni maso bitembeza nkisisia ni mtandao ndobe kase kama noni koka create content ya kila video da less than 1 minute na kaka kwata views mbingi ndine wa TikTok mpaka tukabika more than 1 million followers na you TikTok pe aspect no ko gift either way online na you ka gift wa coins ya 1 million ni mondo mwe mosongo ila si translate to around 500,000 ya the Kenya kumaanisha kana yani content creation yiyo kanetonyo bindwa maisha ma mundu say they don't need kuisa kuthikwe kama ondwangi so pe opportunities even in our content creation mundu tonya course nondo imone wazi na otwike extension officer wa agriculture kabunde si ando mandu ma ulimi pesi ndo sike badokani otona kweka
bingi muno. Actually you elatone and they know content creation in every industry you can do content creation. Kana even those who make these tables or furniture, you need only to have a good content creation. Kana, if you want to make this good table, this is the steps you follow. This one, this and one. And they'll follow it on 1 million. How do you make this beautiful table? Just see that. So we are saying, in everything you think, you can think it in terms of content creation, and then you go online marketing. It is there. Actually, if, for example, you log in anything, actually, even, for example, the student in class, practical lessons, they can even Google there and you say titration. And you will see people, so many people teaching you about titration. You will go to maybe titration, mwingine and back titration, mwingine, and you will learn a lot from the content creators who are online. And you will learn. As you are learning, they are learning. So what I'm telling young people is there is a space in online which you cannot even finish. You will never, and you can't. No, the space actually is growing day in, day out. Nekila actually don't know our government, Machakos government, and also the national government. Keka Nimande now create more Wi-Fi spots in the county. We say the Nimande now tell our young people. Na we say the kiuni kimwe kitona the kiende na utuma. Apart from Kwetha Tombani in the urban centers, also the youths who are at the interior sides. Nimande ya na kwekata na kutumia the Wi-Fi spots na mete the monopio. Umundu utona the mundu no minute degree. Na watato sisia the formal employment is very minimal. Na nondo ni bali kile nepotism, tribalism, wizaadi ya kukwata we otesi nkanyana waanganya vina kukwata we. There is a way now we need to create another world, to create a world of online, so that we may tap it and earn our living. Baloto need kwetha wese mundu. Baloto need kwetha wawese ainganya eka. You need to start creating your own content. Like for example, okay, umundu ka analyze yandu stock exchange. Uka analyze yandu ke zaidi anime da mesimaalika kwako. They know where to invest their money. No, say you will find you have so many followers, and then they will be in need of your content throughout.
Una kiwi. Peda pata mo wa specificity okay say na niche flani okay say there peke la ukoete utoete moboka na content yolwacho. Nondo for example ntona le muntu no kona na wo monde uneno kona na forex kendo kene kitonyo mbalocha ne walete kuongama abantu bamoke silando ne mese memwathe nondo akendo flani. Exactly. Ni wa ile kwethiwa then wa content creation when either way specific ni kana thibasa. Ela wona wambe ya kutanga wesaidha ndina serious followers. Lakini for example edwa wambia munde kunene ayulu wa forex mindo stock exchange rates nini na nisio wa focus on forex exchange na yo wa focus on nundu kethia mundu enda kindu kiliona ona nowe tap ndeni wa mindo akwa follow directly nundu wese soma kina o yino tabia yulu mkulima jamazi ita mkulima nundu already wa manege kila mundu mkulima. Actually the other day ni weno na ako there ai mukathia nundu elo ona kuna farm yake ni nonie ako ne mkulima amunenge mawaidha yolo acha ukulima nundu already ni wisi mundu akuna akiba though what we for example content creator you may say like the way we mwalimu na nwali kantheno content creation a specific subject. Be the professor in that subject. Work on it until you smoothen everything, and you will find followers just coming here. Okay. Now, or you will say they are almost okay. Let's say they say they are no consumers ma media. We say they are mondo ne kusise TV petiwe chao kipende ki, but you and mabendo kama tukake nduketo prosumers ne producers at the same time in consumers. So no more produce content, especially in the mutandao wa TikTok, more and producers and no more consume. The fact that there were a million man tayari number 2 get content creators, it's a threat na ndo tona ku distinguish na ndo asu na ka secure future yako then our content creation.
Kati wa ndo a million man be angeti serious. Actually, now stand out, you need to be very serious and a serious researcher in that area. Actually, if you want to deliver a serious content, you have to be a serious researcher. Nika now say their research ila uweka mudena kudhiulonge already it is adding value to people. The common things people know. The common things people know, and you'll find like if you are presenting a common thing is known by almost 1,000 other people. But when you become a serious researcher and a presenter, you will now get that extra marks. Kwa kikamba ni asia yani kuthui mondo kwa kindini nika na wese thia mondo no tona kwithia ni wese kindu chukwa kindini ni ndo ku tabia umundi ndiendo ekatwa zo kindu kinini tu imata mbemba kila mundu no andike content yolwa mbemba na wemia mbemba lakini pala uoka withie mundu no elestia yolwa mawo wala makwata mbemba mama kwata indi wailo panda mbemba iba wikalanga liko yiba ukunawe wiba yani wikite nuthuimite ndini muno kethia kindu ki ukunengane ni kindu ukisivyo wisaithia mundu usu na nimeta high notch kana nimeta ata compared to other people. Nundo omuntu atatoisia you omuntu and ala mande na present content imwezi that so simple and so clear. Now you connect I learn deep meaning of what you really want to do. Though for example ni mundu okoelesia yolo mechanic maangali mundu atona either very superficial na nendo ulikende no isisia content creators amwe very superficial yani meba yolo endebe mundu kwethia akwelete kindu yogeza ithia ibinda yo ndela wendo likamitandao wendo thibo specific mundu usu nundu ni wesikilo ko nenga is one of the best.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, twimina wana future ya mitandao content creation online ibanato.
Ni asia isuna speciality number exploit wa fully in Africa. Actually there are so many opportunities in it. Osio wa yonde mina newa. Na it has opportunity day in day out. And kilando na asia ni let eka ando me present we say there kila meika ni kindu kitona kumatethia mwene na kutethia andu angi yes uni asia nika with the one ni wali kila online in this way let it be a serious way no say umonde ni ndo kutabisa ndio tabia andu ingi with the online media kani yo umonde with the ambition sia wa matumite lakini ndi matungi acha ni matungi ya mbesa actually antwala matungi ya mbesa to ni percentage nini muno ku kilando no weta nekana twithiwe na we need more mentorship programs we say they need to change the online apart from just kweta online works nini to sense ya tweka with and no ma create mbesa nayo.
Okay, to but nekana to minevyo pe content creation mitandao ni witha itona kwa access ni kila mundu anytime maybe ando mo set advantage you that me also be content ite kulikana na community guidelines na values ila situ ta kamba ta Kenya ta Africans ta communities nikenda we say there kindu chine chira ki unique na nature viral uke say there neme kwika maundu matailete matana community guidelines utona kwa siata utumiwa online space na community guidelines.
Kila kindu chambe ndo no thingilila nikana yulu wa ndini wa constitution yitu itolete yulu wa cybercrime na penalties ya cybercrime na ni votu welete yulu wa maundu kibadhukanyo na mitala tala ye kibadhukanyo lakini ando ingi niwe saidhi ndi ati yawa na umundi nene wiye CS olona nengiwe ICT aweta muno yulu cybercrime na ni hope no kwati ya mitalatalesu serious ni kana we say there siendo imwe nasyo ni siethiwa ni wati ya mitalatala yandi vaipandu batethameo na ndinu wa mwikalila wa mwenenthi pe pala with ya freedom yaku yabikane bwa yolonge yambia and I Lord temper with it ko ni choki tumingwasia ndinu wa online space ni actually ni balaki the cyber crime rules ni like enforcement ika enforce wa we say their on mekanili enjoy their young people on a mesilia me mondo anytime wesilia sindu imona siadela nundu tu need yokoza me anona example no yona sindu hii mwezi adela nundu we say their tuka is actually ukasoma metalatala ndilandi ni wa cyberbullying si metalatala mingi muno and their penalties
ni ukulia ni batoneka ukasobya content nzio clean content na ukathi viral na ukakwata mbesa
bingi muno na actually nienda kukulia for example umundi kinganya mbeye comedian na mukethia make ya online umundi ndatinda umanete lakini followers siana
followers ingi
na very clean content
ko andu ni maileta kumana ti lazima weke controversial content kana sindu sina nudity sindu sia muthembo su andu matasoe nikenda we say they are not on what followers no weke kindu kisio ki kuongela value kwa andu na kiati metalatala ya ndhi na ya community situ no ke say they no apenye
pure actually kila ngwendo tabyando usio wa clean content it stands all the time na nienda abasa nundu whether it's this generation or the other generation it will be a very good content to everyone lakini content contrary to our ethics with idea nivika abantu kendo chambe ikamblokiwa nundu ti allowed kendo chakeli ndi wani a living nesa nundu is for a short period of time lakini clean content with a clean content onano sote dia katedia sana siako that is the beauty part of it nundu we say there it goes over time and time
and now quite endorsement
yes
ndo company siko ndakuya associate na ndo alame kweka sindu dhuku ndakuya associate na
yes actually mundu for example we clean content creator adha mbulumbandi na yenda kwa advertise niyo kweta umi advertise ndo imesi kuna very clean content okay. That is it
ni movia muno ndo na itu
asante
ni watete mukamo muno ndeto ya muthia na wi matavyo tonyo kwatakanata wase weka hata na weka hata
ni mandu meki bathukanyo nasa ni pia salawa uimi also contractor and online businesses I do all of them okay. Yes kwa mukamba kilando no mutavya ni kana kuya ikiaviti ondo ne lawo ondo kwetie na nduka atate kusiokanetina nundu ni twese kila kitono tutethia ni viti no kamba ni kana tuthibasa na tubete ucha thini wa ukamba witu ni tulike thini wa sector sikivathukanyo ni kana twikie vitivo etha no imiwekie viti etha we online content creator etha we kuna biasala wiba wa utamana na waikata ni kuya wikie viti kabisa ndieta NICODEMUS Mokiwazakayo also ni youth president wa Masako na nengi ni utiana ukuyati kila ondoni ekwatengai ni asante
no ukwate utonya ukwate kanata
ndo no kwatikana kwa 0727 092 216 kwa Facebook ni ta NICODEMUS Mwagizakayo kwa Twitter ni ta Nickzak na nengi one follow bau no mbethia bau atuitha tono kwatiani
thank you so much
mwenda
musaisi yani mutongo ine wayiwe kila kendo wakindo kwenda kuongela nyineta wa Steven Mwema ni muvyano ndo wasaisi ana ende tukomana saa muonza ngonengelele mavo kwa WITU nesa